Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this new video, I am going to unbox a digital alarm clock, and I purchased this product from Amazon. The link of this product will be down in the description box. Please do check it out. So let's begin the unboxing of this product. Yes, this is the product. It is optically controlled liquid crystal device alarm clock. These are the details. This is the packaging of the product. So guys, this is a digital clock, and it also has a user manual. So these are the setting of the clock. With this button, you can switch on or switch off the alarm. With this, you can set year, minute and date, hours and month. It has a sensor facility. You can enable it or disable it. This button helps to operate all these features. It requires AAA 1.5V battery. So let's insert the battery and check this out. So it requires 3 batteries. So finally, the digital clock is on. Let's do the settings. So I have done all the settings. I have set the time, alarm, date, month. This clock also has a backlight facility. So the backlight facility in this clock also works in dark. So let's check that out. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.